All right, good morning all. Today I'm back and we're talking about debt collection, mortgage servicing. We're talking about consumer rights. That's my passion. There is nothing happening right now. Okay, and there's no debt collection. There's really very little mortgage servicing happening. And the reason for that is because the mortgage servicing and especially the debt collection industry, they lack the capacity to work remotely. They have employees that their systems don't allow people to work remotely. That's not likely to change at any point in the near future. So thankfully, nothing's happening in that regard. But I can absolutely guarantee you that the debt collection industry, especially the debt collection industry, even more than the mortgage servicing industry, is working extremely hard to get back up to speed as quickly as possible. I think there's about 60 days of peace before the industry starts telling its employees, you're either getting back behind your desk or you're fired, irrespective of any health concerns. Look, there may be health and life issues that follow, but this is the debt collection industry, people, and it's all about the money, just the money. So I hope they get annihilated for what they're about to do, but I can assure you they're going to force their employees back to work before it's medically sane to do so. Hopefully not, but I can pretty much guarantee that that's going to happen based on my experience with the industry. So I have 60 days to get the word out there to explain what rights people have. And we create an infographic for the mortgage servicing foreclosure industry in New Jersey. And we posted that previously. It's going to be in the first comments below. We had a tremendous response to it. People loved it. It's extremely helpful. It laid out every step and it explained how we actually fight and win these foreclosure cases when the bank makes a mistake, which is quite often. We're also preparing an infographic for the mortgage servicing industry, what to do when you're called by a debt collector. That's not quite ready yet, be ready in a week or so. So what I wanted to do right now is go through various steps. When you're called by a debt collector, the first contact, they must reach out to you in writing within 5 days and tell you who the creditor is, what the debt is, Capital One, a car payment, how much the debt is, and how you dispute the debt. That must be included in that first letter. It has to be sent within 5 days. If it's not, run to the nearest FDCPA attorney, Fair Debt Collection Practices Act attorney, with the case. You might actually have something. You might be able to sue the debt collector right there in federal court just for that violation. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. It's worth an investigation. When you get that letter, you have a right to dispute the debt and demand that the debt be authenticated and verified. Do it. Link below again. Also below is a link to NerdWallet where they discuss exactly how to do a debt verification letter. It's not perfect, but it's good enough. Send that debt verification letter. Upon receipt, look at it. Look at it, look through it, package all your material along with an email or letter describing all of the details of your relationship with the original creditor, if it's your debt, and your experience with this debt collector in all regards, and all prior debt collectors having to do with this debt in one document. In other words, in one email. Attach your documents, email that to the FDCPA attorney of your choice. If any attorney who does this kind of work tries to charge you a consult fee, turn around, run, find a different lawyer. There is no reason for an attorney to charge a consult fee to review the FDCPA filing, potential case. And consumers do not pay the attorney out of pocket, not the expenses, not for the legal fees. The retainer that's going to be offered to you by a competent, experienced, good FDCPA attorney is pure contingency, which means you pay $0 in fees, you pay $0 in expenses, nobody gets paid anything until there's victory or settlement in the federal court filing. Okay? That's how it works. I hope this helps. Stay strong, be ready, be smart, be prepared. We're in this together.